Through the eyes of men it seems there's so much we have lost. As we look down the road where all the prodigals have walked, and one by one the enemy has whispered lies and led them off as slaves. But we know that you are God and yours the victory, and we know there is more to come that we may not yet see. So with the